The Cat in the Hat. A cat in a hat went out to play, chased a blue butterfly all through the day, jumped on a fence, then over a log, made friends with a turtle, a duck, and a frog. When the stars began to shine so bright, the cat yawned wide and said, "Good night," curled in his hat, soft, cozy, and round, dreams of new adventures soon to be found.